Come travel with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I took this unbelievable 3-country adventure. It was during a 6-week, mind-blowing summer vacation. Stick around to the end. I'm gonna give you the entire price breakdown. How I traveled so inexpensively, had an unforgettable adventure, and of course, how you can do it too. It's very affordable. You won't want to miss this, all right? So, anyway, back to the video. Back to the video! Come travel with me, y'all. Y'all could be here too. Hey there, fellow explorers. I just wrapped up an incredible journey through some of the most breathtaking places in South America and the Caribbean. Colombia, Peru, and the Dominican Republic. From ancient ruins to beautiful beaches and lively street scenes to peaceful mountaintops, this trip was unforgettable. This trip was epic. This trip was adventurously epic. And I couldn't help but think, next time, wouldn't it be amazing if you were there too?
Come travel with me, yeah.
Shakira.
Picture this. We walk in the vibrant streets of Barranquilla, surrounded by music, colors, and the energy of Colombia. Or exploring the colonial charm of Cartagena.
Hola, bienvenidos a Cartagena.
Where every corner tells a story, and the sunsets over the Caribbean are definitely like no other. Just imagine us diving into the street food, dancing with the locals, and soaking up the culture. There's really nothing like it. Pero yo necesito beber eso primero. ¿O qué tú piensas?
No, cuando termines de tomarte la cerveza.
Ay, gracias.
Chao.
Mira, señora, hola, dime qué tú tienes aquí. Hola. ¿Y qué tú tienes aquí?
Diferentes esculturas.
Sí.
Mucha artesanía colombiana.
Ah, qué bueno. ¿Y para dónde tú eres?
Yo realmente soy de Venezuela.
Oh, de Venezuela, qué bueno. Pon tu mano arriba.
Yo soy venezolana, pero vivo acá hace mucho tiempo.
Ah, ok.
Tengo 7 años viviendo acá.
7 años. Ok, yo soy tarde, pero bienvenido. I can't make that up. He said it best right there, definitely, y'all. Come travel with us. Come visit Colombia. Come visit Cartagena, and you can meet a lot of nice people. De verdad. See? Alright. Qué bueno, aplauso, sí. Qué bueno, sí. Muchas gracias. ¿Sí?
Hold up. Did she just pass me to go talk to him? What? Psst. It's all good. Ain't nobody tripping. But yo, I'm out of here.
Cartagena Airport. We get on the plane outside. This is my new friend right here. Comment s'appelle-tu?
My name is Ophélie.
Oui?
Yeah.
And where you from?
I'm from France, but I live in Saint-Martin.
Saint-Martin. Oui. Et c'est très joli?
C'est très joli.
Oh.
Très joli.
Yes,
Venez.
Come and visit, she said. It's very pretty. Oui.
Then we're off to Santo Domingo in the Dominican Republic. Exploring its stunning colonial architecture and the lively local vibe. Picture us exploring ancient streets, trying traditional Dominican dishes, and hitting up the beach together. For anyone who loves history, good food, and a little beach relaxation, this is the place to be. Que lo que, wah wah wah. And then Peru. Boom. Starting in Lima, the food capital. Imagine us together, tasting everything from fresh ceviche to world-renowned Peruvian cuisine. Then we're off to Cusco, the heart of the Andes, with its rich history and beautiful mountain views. Finally, we'll hike up to Machu Picchu.
All right, y'all. Need to introduce y'all to my tour guide over here. His name is Juan Robert.
Juan Robert.
Okay.
Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu. Wonderful place.
You have to say Machu Picchu like Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu.
One of the most iconic places in the world.
What you know about that, y'all? Come travel with me.
Can you picture yourself here, standing in the clouds, overlooking this ancient wonder?
Aha. Yeah, exactly. A rabbit. Biscacha. Hey! Wake up! Oh, rabbit. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. Bake is very good. Bake.
He's talking about when you eat it is very good. Rabbits.
So, what do you say? Ever dream of exploring these places with someone who's been there? Want to dive into hidden gems? Experience local traditions and make some unforgettable memories together? Entonces, next time, let's make it happen together. Junto! I'm inviting you to come along for my next big adventure. We'll explore incredible places like these, meet amazing people, and have the best time discovering the world together. So, start packing your bags, or at least your virtual passport, and stay tuned for the next trip details. I can't wait to share these moments with you, or with y'all. I can't wait to share these moments with y'all. Hit subscribe if you're ready to travel with me, and let me know in the comments where should we explore next. So now let's go ahead and get into this incredible price saving technique so that you can benefit from inexpensive travel flights as well. The first thing, in case you don't know, is the price differences or the conversion rates. So, $1 American is worth 4,000 pesos in Colombia, 60 pesos in the Dominican Republic, and 3 soles in Peru, more or less, roughly, and as you see, I rounded it down. Next we have the flights. I flew from Atlanta to Fort Lauderdale for only 94 bucks. Yes, I had to stop there to go see my sister and a handful of other family members. Then I flew from Fort Lauderdale to Barranquilla for $140. From Barranquilla to Cartagena, I took a bus for only $7.
Where you catch the bus from city to city out here in Colombia, you know? Come travel with me, I'm trying to tell you, the adventure never stops.
Then from Cartagena to Santo Domingo, I took a plane obviously for $217. I went from Santo Domingo to Lima, round trip for $317. Then from Lima to Cusco, round trip for $123. Then from Santo Domingo back to Atlanta for $277. But that was the business bundle, which allowed me to carry more bags and fly first class for a grand total of only 1,168 bucks. 1,168 bucks. If you check right now on cheapflights.com, all of those trips right now will come up to 7,348 bucks, more or less, or more. The secret to how I was able to get these flights so inexpensively was I purchased the majority of them as one-way flights. One-way flights because from third world country to third world country, it is much cheaper than if you purchase your packages straight from the United States. Now, when it comes to tours, I love taking tours because they're fairly inexpensive, they're fun, they teach you about the area, the city, and or the country.
Todos los que somos de aquí nos gusta la cultura cartagenera, la comida típica, las playas, la música.
La playa, la música, la cultura.
And most of them come with a meal or two and or drinks. Plus there's usually other people on the tour that you can chill with and have fun with as well. So while I was in Colombia, I did the bike tour all around the downtown area in Barranquilla for only $40. Then in Cartagena, I went to the mud pit volcano called Totumbo for only $30. Then the next day I went island hopping, 4 different islands for only $75, and both of those came with food and drinks as well. In the Dominican Republic, I didn't really go on any tours this time, but in the past, I've gone to Isla Sayona and Isla Catalina. Both of those were $60, but that depends on where you're traveling from. Also, I've done the zip lining, the buggy riding, and the horseback riding adventure for only $80, and all 3 of those came with food and drinks as well. Then in Peru, oh my gosh, there was Peru. Peru was interestingly complicated. However, let's start with Lima. In Lima, we took a city tour with a guy called Guti that we became really good friends with. He showed us all around the city area of Lima.
Welcome to downtown Lima. Boom.
For only 50 bucks. Then from Lima, we flew to Cusco, and then from Cusco to Machu Picchu, we took a train, the Peru Rail, for only $147, which the price does vary depending on when you go and which class you ride in, to Aguascalientes, which is the town where Machu Picchu is located. Once you get to Machu Picchu, you are going to need a guided tour. They're cheaper when you get to Machu Picchu than if you get them before you even get on the bus, so keep that in mind. Plus you can negotiate, plus you can find somebody else on your tour with you who's willing to share the tour guide with you, which in that case you'll get a cheaper price for the tour guide. Now outside of Machu Picchu, we did go to Laguna Humantay and Montana de Colores for only $20 each, and also took a city tour for $10, which, since we took 3 packages from the same spot, we negotiated that price. And again, each one of those came with food and drinks. Now, you don't have to take any tours if you don't want to, because there are plenty of other things to do while you are there. Trust me.
My man says since this is my last night in Cusco, he's gonna offer me a shot.
Yeah, so thank God
Definitely.
all to the Inca,
Yes, to the gods, the
all the
Incas.
Pachamama.
Pachamama?
Always.
To the Pachamama?
Yeah.
Then you got it.
Ah, qué bueno.
I'll see you soon for the adventure of a lifetime. Let's make some memories. Yeah. Come travel with me.